Tired of kitchen clutter and endless cooking times? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your meals. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's 9 appliances in one, from slow cooking and sautéing to making yogurt and even sterilizing bottles. Imagine ditching your rice cooker, yogurt maker, and steamer for one sleek, powerful device. Cooking is effortless with its 15 customizable smart programs for ribs, soups, beans, poultry, and so much more, ensuring perfect results every time. You can easily adjust settings to match your favorite recipes, making it incredibly user-friendly for any home chef. Plus, the food-grade 304 18/8 stainless steel inner pot offers superior durability, healthy cooking, and incredibly easy cleanup. No more scrubbing, just healthy, delicious meals cooked safely and quickly. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's the ultimate time-saving solution for busy households looking for a reliable and versatile kitchen appliance in 2025. Ready to upgrade your cooking experience? Find the Instant Pot Duo Plus with our exclusive discount link in the description below. For efficiency, versatility, and delicious results, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is truly the best kitchen investment you'll make this year.